Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last lecture, we discussed plagiarism and plagiarism detection tools, how to identify and avoid one of the most common forms of academic misconduct. Today, we will look at a closely related area, intellectual property rights or IPR. While plagiarism is about using someone else's work without permission, IPR focuses on protecting original creations so that innovators receive recognition and benefits for their work. What is intellectual property rights, that is IPR? Intellectual property rights are the legal protections given to creators and inventors for their original works, discoveries, or inventions. Just like physical property, such as land or a house, intellectual property gives ownership over creations of mind, including inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names, images, or designs. IPR ensures that creators have the exclusive right to use, sell, or license their work for a certain period of time. What are the types of intellectual property rights? Number one, copyright. Copyright protects literary, artistic, and creative works such as books, music, films, or software. Example, a research article written by a scientist is automatically copyrighted. Duration, usually the author's lifetime is 60 years, varies by country, so full lifetime it is copyrighted for them. Patent protects new inventions or processes that are novel, useful, and non-obvious. Example, a new drug formula patented by a pharmaceutical company. Duration, patent duration typically 20 years. Next is trademark. Protects brand names, logos, or symbols that identify goods and services. Example, the Nike shoes or the Apple logo. Industrial design protects the aesthetic or design aspects of products. Example, the unique design of a smartphone. Geographical indication, that is GI tags, protects products that originate from a specific region with unique qualities. Example, Darjeeling tea, Kanjipuram silk, and champagne. Similar to that. Trade secrets protects confidential business information like formula, processes, strategies. Example, the Coca-Cola recipe, Pepsi recipe. Why IPR is important in research? For researchers and academicians, IPR plays a critical role, encourages innovation by protecting original work, provides financial benefits through licensing or commercialization, ensures academic recognition for contribution, prevents misuse or unauthorized use of research findings. Without IPR, innovators may lose both credit and economic rewards for their work. IPR in academic research. Research publications automatically get copyright protection. Patents are important when research leads to new inventions. Universities often have an IPR cell to guide researchers on how to file patent or manage copyrights. Collaborations with industry often involve agreements to share IPR rights. Let me give you some example. Patent example. A university team develops a low-cost water purification device. They patent the technology, which is later commercialized, providing royalties to both the inventors and the institution. Copyright example. A researcher publishes an original book on biotechnology. Copyright ensures no one else can reproduce or sell it without the permission of the author. These cases show how IPR protects both creativity and innovation. While IPR is powerful, there are challenges too. Number 1, high costs of filing and maintaining patent, limited awareness among researchers about legal procedures, international differences, laws vary from country to country, ethical concerns, for example, should life-saving drugs be patented if it makes them unaffordable? This shows that IPR must balance protection with public good. Let's summarize today's session. Intellectual property rights, that is IPR, protect the creations of the mind, such as inventions, books, logos, and designs. Types include copyright, patents, trademarks, industrial designs, GI tags, and trade secrets. IPR in research ensures recognition, innovation, and commercialization opportunities. Challenges include high cost, legal complexities, and ethical dilemmas. In our next topic, we'll discuss research ethics and case studies where we analyze real-world situations to understand how ethical principles are applied in practice. Got it? Thank you for joining me in this lecture on intellectual property rights. Here is a reflection question for you. Do you think life-saving inventions like vaccines should always be patented, or should they be made freely available for the greater good of humanity? Think about it. Give your comments in the comment box. Let me catch you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.